Good morning, students. This morning we are going to discuss about organizational setup of CBSE and sports. Organizational setup of CBSE Sports Chacha Nehru Sports Award. We have an contribution in awards of CBSE also. Contribution of CBSE sports. First is the Central Board of Secondary Education, that means CBSE, organized the sports and games tournament at cluster level, zonal level, and national level. These three levels, CBSE organized the tournament at cluster level, zonal level, and national level for various sports and games annually. For ensuring the smooth and efficient conduct of inter-school sports and games and activities are organized by CBSE or in the direction of CBSE. As we all know about CBSE, the head office of CBSE is in Delhi. The chairman CBSE shall be the chairman of sports committee. The chairperson of CBSE is the chairman of sports committee. So there is an constitution of CBSE sports, a gist about what is CBSE and who will be the chairman of sports committee or sports committee. Aims and objective of sports CBSE sports. Aims and objective of CBSE sports. What is the aim and objective? To organize inter-school tournament. To organize inter-school tournament and competition in sports and games recognized by CBSE. To ensure sportsmanship and promote friendly relation among the school and students. To organize orientation, to organize such other activities as may conducive to the aim and objective of sports committee as mentioned above. These are 5 points are aims and objectives of CBSE sports. Question arise, what is the aim and objective of CBSE sports? You will answer, aim and objective of CBSE sports is these 5 points. First, second, third, fourth, and 5. These 5 points are aims and objectives of CBSE sports. And there are some rules related to organization for competition. General rules related to organization of competition. Games, sports, events may be included in or excluded by sports committee from time to time. Nowadays, you can see the situation of COVID-19 and sports committee has taken that there will be no sports due to COVID-19. Tournament shall be organized at cluster level, zonal and national level. If a tournament progress is suspended on account of unavoidable circumstances, the venue dates unfinished part of tournament shall be decided by the board. It will be decided by the board if there is any mishappening or due to weather or due to crowd, there can be any circumstances. In case no host for particular cluster zone or tournament meet is available in such cluster zone will be merged with nearby cluster zone. All the championship at the cluster and zonal level will be held on knockout basis. Will be held on knockout basis. Later on in class 12th, you will come to know about what is league and knockout, and we will learn about making fixture and the importance of league tournament and knockout tournaments. So we came to know about CBSE and a board of CBSE related to inter-school sports for organizing at different levels and what are the aims of CBSE sports. Next heading is Chacha Nehru Sports Award. The CBSE started Chacha Nehru Award in 2005. When did CBSE start Chacha Nehru Award? In 2005. So we have to remember this date. And who started this Chacha Nehru's Sports Award? CBSE start Chacha Nehru Sports Award. Objectives. The objective is to identify, organize and develop extraordinary talent among students in class 10th and 12th. 12th class in games and sports. It will be beneficial in developing the sports activities in activities at school level. The award in the form of scholarship will motivate the students to ensure in and student and create interest in sports activities. What will be the eligibility criteria? Who or which students are eligible for participating in Chacha Nehru Sports Award that is organized by CBSE? Eligibility. The student must be an Indian national studying in a school located in India. This is the first important eligibility. It must be Indian national studying in a school located in any part of India. She should not be a recipient of any of the scholarship for same purpose from the government or non-government agencies. Selection for scholarship. Selection for scholarship. Students shall be selected on basis of their overall performance and score at national level in CBSE sports competition. In case of team games, a committee composed of minimum 3 members shall selected the student for scholarship. All the scholarships shall be identified by February on proceeding academic year for the award. So students, we had came to know about Chacha Nehru Sports Award. Who organized Chacha Nehru Sports Award? CBSE. Who started? CBSE started. We came to know about objective eligibility, which student can participate, scholarship, how you can get scholarship in Chacha Nehru Sports Award. So students, about scholarship, there are 50 scholarship each year at the rate of rupees 500 per month for the student of class 10th to 12th who showed the top performance at national level in various disciplines of CBSE inter-school sports and games. Duration of scholarship. The scholarship is awarded to a talented student in sports for maximum 4 years. How many years? For maximum 4 years. First, clear cut level of improvement in the performance of sports concern. Second, passing of each level of class examination is must. Passing of each level of class examination is must. Then you will, if you are not passing, you are not eligible for scholarship. So you have to remember clear cut level of improvement in the performance. This is very important. Passing of each level of class examination is must. Third is, if a candidate of class 7th is selected for the ward but has not qualified for admission of class 9th shall not be considered eligible for award. A candidate who has considered eligible for the award to class 9th shall not be considered eligible for award. This is one of the important class 8th and class 9th. You have to remember is selected for award from class 8th to class 9th. A candidate who has been discontinued from the roll of a school or has been rusticated from the school shall forbid the award. He is not eligible for award. If student is unable to pursue the discipline due to health or medical reason, then This shall lead to a discontinuation of award. Students, these are the few important points that you should remember while participating, or if you are interested in sports and games, especially in Chacha Nehru sports and games. In case some students are selected in under 16 year age category, the scholarship in such case shall be entitled till the completion of class 12th studies. These are few points, students, you should remember, or if you are interested in taking part in CBSE sports and games. So students, I tell you about selection and eligibility and objectives of Chacha Nehru sports and games. Go through each and every heading of this chapter, because in coming days you are having your exams. Do your questions and answers that are given to you. Write it. If you are unable to understand any heading, in Zoom meeting we already discuss and we share our problems, and you can ask me. Prepare yourself and ask question in Zoom meeting. Have a nice day.